Anderson Tuftex PetProtect Plus is an outstanding collection of ultra-durable, easy-to-clean carpet with built-in stain and soil protection. Designed for you, perfect for your pet. So why PetProtect Plus? This carpet is crafted with Anso high-performance PET fiber, meaning it will still look as good as the day you bought it, even after years of spills, messes, and pet accidents. PetProtect Plus is also designed for ultimate resistance to staining, soiling, fading, and bleach, plus other household cleaners. And since the fibers are treated with R2X stain resistance, this carpet will repel liquids and soil, making the carpet easy to care for. And when it comes to cleaning those loose pet hairs off your floor, PetProtect Plus's innovative fibers easily release the pet hair while vacuuming for quick and easy cleanup, so you won't ever have to worry about hairs being trapped inside the carpet. In addition to all these wonderful benefits, all PetProtect Plus styles with LifeGuard spill-proof technology are backed with a 25-year warranty. This technology reduces pet odors and means your cushion and subfloor are protected from pet accidents. Also, if you purchase PetProtect cushion with any PetProtect Plus carpet, you have the opportunity to upgrade your warranty. And just because this collection is pet-friendly doesn't mean it can't be beautiful. PetProtect Plus combines style with practicality, so there is a wide range of styles and designs to suit the unique needs of your space. With a design that works for you and your pet, there is no better choice than Anderson Tuftex PetProtect Plus for all your flooring needs. For more information on PetProtect Plus carpet, visit our showroom in Dalton, Georgia, or shop online at georgiacarpet.com.